Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys what you can do if you can't find like the blend mode on CapCut PC. So select your video and make sure you've selected your video. It's going to be here. If you're on your phone and that doesn't show, you'll need to add another video, and it's going to be called Splice on your phone, so make sure you select the clip. If that doesn't show up either, maybe you need to update your app. So go to menu, go to more, go to the version you have, check for updates, and if there's an update, you have to update it straight away. You're just going to close the app and then update it, and then it's going to hopefully work. And there's the blend mode. As you can see, you can choose from all of these blend modes that they have here. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.